Welcome to Math 241 online. So I will go over the menu on Canvas so that we know what you're doing on this course. So the first thing I want you to do is to check the home page. As you can see here, when you scan the home page, I want you to watch these videos. This is just a PDF file. You can see how to deal with the Alta software. We're using Alta for assignments, quizzes, and exams, including the final exams. So watch those videos to help you out to better understand Alta software. Over here, this link should connect you to the office hours. I have office hours only in Zoom, so we call this virtual office hours. So you can click on this and then register. If you do it once, then the next time you want to come during office hours, you don't have to register. Okay, so you can just go in, you can just log into your office hours. The office hours is every day between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. And that's the link to get to the office hours. Office hours is virtual. Okay, so we meet in Zoom. Okay, so we go to announcements. Always check your announcement. That's where I will tell you what about any change. So for this assignment, for when you go to this first announcement, check it out. You'll see what that says about what you should do before you start to do your Alta assignment. So make sure to check the announcement every time, every day. Syllabus. This is where you have the syllabus. First, the first entry here is about all the Alta assignments. So it gives you the schedule for all assignments, including the quizzes, the homework assignment, the exams, and the final exams. Okay, so you should click on this. It's a PDF file. Should download it and then save it. And here we have the syllabus. If you click on here, you can download the syllabus, or you can just open it. But the syllabus is also open here. Okay. So this is the same syllabus, and you should go through the entire syllabus. Modules is where you see how we did partition this course. If you go to overview, it will tell you the overview of the course. This is the grading policy, and it's about the instructor, and then you have other stuff. And then if you click in here, no, this one you don't see, but the first module is about chapter 2, for example. And if you click on it, the first overview, it will tell you what are the topics that we're going to discuss on chapter 2. And then if you continue, you will see the videos that you need to watch, and also the notes, the class notes. Okay, but anyway, you have some YouTube videos, and then you have the PDF files. You can also open those and then read before you do your assignments. So modules has so this course is divided into modules. So we have 4 of them. Okay, we have 4 modules, and the last module is about the final exam. As you can see here, let's just look at the first module. Let's just look at that for a second. So the first modules is it basically here. This is week 1. Okay, so week 1, day 1, and then week 1, day 1. That's we expect you to do these assignments. Then you go to week 1, day 2, and so forth. And then somewhere here you see the quiz. This is an altar quiz. Okay, so if you click on it, it's going to bring you to altar. Okay, that's quiz 1. And then week 2, day 3, that's when you have the exam 1. Okay, and you can also see assessment is quiz 1, exam 1 for the first module. This connects you to all assignments on chapter 2. Okay, that goes the same with module 2, module 3, module 4. Okay, same thing. Assignments. Now, under the assignment is when you're going to do your assignments. Okay, so when you open this page, you're going to see all the assignments. You're going to see the quizzes. You're going to see the test. And you're going to see the homework assignments. So all you have to just click on the homework assignments. When you click on the homework assignment, it's going to bring you to the altar course. Okay, and then you can start doing your assignments. And so to do the assignments, you have to be on the assignment menu. Okay, that's where you're going to do all the assignments, whether it's homework, quizzes, exam, final exam. Okay. And the discussion, the grades is where you can see your grades. So that's where you see the grades. But this is my instructor. Okay, so let me just go here for a second here. So I will go to the student menu so you can see better. Okay, so let's go. Let me enter as a student. So now this is how you see this course. Okay, you can see when you click on the assignment, you see all the assignments based on the due date. So quiz 1 is the first one because it's due on June 22nd. But you can still do the homework assignments, which are due on June 4th. To do the assignment, you don't need to do anything but just click on the assignment, and then it's going to bring you to the altar course. Okay, so it will bring you to the altar course. Then you can start doing your assignment here. Okay, now this is the altar course. So it tells you the status of the assignment. You did not start the assignment yet, and the assignment is going to be due on June 4th. And then what you can do is just click on start. Then you can start the assignment. Okay. So that's how you do the assignment, homework assignment. That's exactly the same thing as you do for. So let's go to the quiz. Okay, for example. So so you click on a quiz, and so it's going to bring you the quiz. But every quiz, every exam, including the final exam, require that you download the lockdown browser. Okay, so you see, you're going to click in here and then download this lockdown browser. Because if you don't download the lockdown browser on the device that you have, you won't be able to do the quiz or the exam or the final exam. So do it earlier. Okay, do it the day before you actually take the quiz, so that the the direction is there. When you click on it, you'll see whether you should download the lockdown browser version of Mac or PC, something like that. Okay, so you can just select based on what you have. Just follow the instructions. When you're done, then you can do the quiz. Okay. That goes the same with the exam and the final exam. Okay, in terms of grades, so anytime you do your assignments, okay, like here, this is the homework assignments. If you do it, you'll see the grade here. Okay, so the grade will be posted there. This is all the grades are posted on Canvas. The Alta software doesn't have the grade book. You have the grades on Canvas. Okay. So and then so you can see a grade that you got here after submission. After submitting the grade, I think after the due date, you'll see a grade. And this is the grade categories here. We have quizzes is 14% of the grade. We're going to take 4 exams, which is 56% of the grade. The final exam is 60%, and the homework assignment is 16%. All adds up to 100. Okay, so that's how you're going to be graded, evaluated. Okay, now under discussion, you have basically everything that all the discussion that we plan to do. The first discussion, so we're going to start with chapter 2 section 1, chapter 2 section 2, and so forth. Okay, it's going up, going from down up. Okay, and then the last one will be section chapter 5 section 5. So okay, now so basically that's what you need to know. Again, always you don't need any class key, you don't need any class code to log into the Alta courses. To log into the Alta course, in order to do your assignments, all you have to just click on here, assignments, and then they give you the entire schedule. Okay, so here's the entire schedule. You just have to follow the schedule. Okay, so the all the assignments on chapter 1, on chapter 2, you can see they are all due on June 4th. And then we go to the second group is chapter 3 assignments. So you start with chapter 3, and they're going to be all due on Wednesday, June 11th. So all the assignments are due on Wednesdays. Okay, and all the assignments are open today. Okay, and they are all due now based on the group they are all due all on Wednesday. Like here, June 4th is a Wednesday, June 11th is a Wednesday, and so forth. Let's talk about the quiz also. All the quizzes are opened on Friday at 12 a.m. and they are due on Monday. On Monday at 11:59 p.m. All the quizzes. So you have time to look at, although the quizzes, if you click on a quiz, it tells you how many, how long is the quiz. Okay, so it should tell you. So here, if you go down, it'll tell you when the quiz starts on Friday, May 30th, and then ends on Monday, June 2nd. And it's 1 hour and 10 minutes. And you can try any question 2 times. Okay, so if you can do your quiz, you do it a second attempt, you submit it, and then you can only, after that, to do the second attempt, the first attempt, to do the second attempt, you can only retake the the question that you got wrong. Okay, you don't have to retake the entire quiz over again. Again, as long as you must always download the lockdown browser before you do the quiz. Okay, so do it earlier. So just download it, let it stay in your computer, so it doesn't bother you anymore. Okay, same thing with the test. Okay, and so that's how it's going to be. 2 attempts for per quiz, 2 attempts per any exam, and 2 attempts for the phone exam. It doesn't mean you take you. It's 1 hour and 10 minutes. So during that 1 hour and 10 minutes, you do the 2 attempts. Okay, so you submit the first time, and then you're going to see it's going to show you what questions you got wrong. Then the second attempt will be based only on the questions that you got wrong. So that way you should improve your grades. Okay. So this is that's basically what you need to know about the course, this online course. There's no classroom. If you have a question, just come to the office hours in virtual, which is in Zoom. Okay, so you click on here, and then you're going to get to the Zoom. I'll be there between 10 a.m. and 11 and 1 hour office hours. Just come there. If you see yourself waiting, it means someone else who was there before you. Okay, I will sometime let you know I have someone in the virtual office hours, so you don't have to wait and thinking I don't want to take you. Okay, so the first come, the first serve. All right. Thank you very much, and good luck to this course. Make sure to do the assignment on time. There will be no extension on the homework assignments, no extension on the quizzes, no extension on the exam. The exams that I didn't talk about it are given on Tuesdays. That's why they are opened, and then they are closed on Wednesday. Okay, so every exam will be opened on Tuesday. So you can see here, this exam one is open on Tuesday, June 3rd, and then it's going to be closed on Wednesday, June 4th. So you have time to do the exam. If you're ready to do it on Tuesday, go ahead, do it. If you're not ready yet, you wait for Wednesday, and then you do the exam. Another thing about Alta is what we call the review center. Okay, so the review center is a place where you can go and review every quiz, every exam before taking it. So how do you access the review center? You have the review center over here, the bottom here. There's a review center. So this is the review center. If you click on it, you can review any quiz, any exam. Okay, so for example, quiz 1 is here. So it kind of gives you the review of the questions that you're going to see on quiz 1. So you just click on here and then go by reviewing it. Okay, so you go there, you click, and then you review the quiz. So it gives you an idea. It kind of helps you focus on the questions that are going to be on either exam or quizzes. You can see here we already have all of them, like test 1. You can review it there, and so forth, all the quizzes and exams. Okay, so go to the review center and review it. All right, so for now, make sure to watch this video. You can come back to the video and watch it over again. All right, thank you so much for watching. Good luck to you all, and have a nice summer session one. Thank you.